Hello, my dear friends. Today, I will discuss how to easily install and activate Microsoft Office 2021 on your desktop or laptop computer. First of all, you need to check whether your device meets the minimum requirements for MS Office 2021. You must have an Intel dual-core or faster processor, 1.6 GHz or higher, and Windows 10 or 11 operating system. For better performance, you should have at least 4 GB of RAM. To install it, check whether you already have any version of Office installed. If an older version is installed, press Start Plus or to open the Run command, type appwiz.cpl, and hit Enter. Then, find the installed Office version and uninstall it first. After uninstalling any previous version of MS Office, download the updated MS Office 2021 ISO file from the Google Drive link I provided in the description box. Once the download is complete, open the folder, right-click on the install file, and select Run as administrator. Wait a few minutes for the installation to finish. After the installation is complete, you will see some text in the command prompt. Don't worry, this means the product is being activated. Once activation is successful, you will see the lifetime validity of your product. Now, press any key to exit the command prompt. Open MS Word or Excel to check the activation status. You can verify activation from the Account menu, see that the product is activated. If you face any activation issues after installing MS Office 2021, restart your computer and open the MS Office 2021 ISO file again. Right-click on cmd2.exe, select Run as administrator, and wait a few minutes. You will then see that your product is activated. Thank you. For more helpful videos, please like, share, and follow my content.